Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Partagas E2, which are a Duke size. They're 54 ring gauge. Let me show you this box. This box is absolutely huge. Just about fits in my light box. But these boxes are from December 2023. And this is a box of 25 cigars. Now these do also come in smaller boxes. They come in a pack of 5, I believe, and a pack of 10. But this is the big boy, and these cigars are very enjoyable to smoke. I have had my fair share of these. I actually purchased a box of them from an estanco in the El Corte Inglés in Barcelona. I believe it was 4 or 5 years back, and I still have one of those left, and these are just magnificent cigars to smoke. They're so enjoyable. Let me take one out. And there you have it, the red band. And these have a smoking time, I believe, of, I would say around an hour 20, depends how long you smoke for. But as you can see, this one, for example, I don't like when it has this little bump. But nonetheless, these cigars are really enjoyable, and I've found that these get much better as time goes by. I've had a few new ones and a few old ones, and I always found that the young ones are a bit too fresh and a bit too, I'll call them a bit virgins for me. I find that when you let them age, they sit down, they relax, and all the aromas all come out, and you can really feel the difference between these ones. Not all cigars are like that. Some cigars are just great out the box. The Partagas E2s, for me specifically, have not been like that. Now, these cigars, in terms of pricing, are really hard to come by at a good price. They're very expensive. But like I've said before, these were purchased in Panama on my last trip there. I'll be going again soon in a couple of months. And these are just fantastic cigars and really enjoyable. I'll let these sit in my humidor. Since I said these are from December 2023, I'll give them another 2-3 years and then I'll start enjoying them. But for now, they're just going to be sitting there relaxing until I can properly enjoy them and have all the flavors that I've mentioned before. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.